2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300. Really a gorgeous bike. It's all black, gives it that stealth look. Really sharp looking. It's got that new design to it. Looks like, a leader bike, and it's got great performance. Low end is good, but really the mid and top end is where this bike performs, and it's just been taken care of and serviced and really sharp looking. Let's turn her on and see how she sounds. Kawasaki made some improvements from the 2013 to 2014, and it shows digital fuel injection, some air management improvements. Even helps the bike start up, as you can see. I'll rev it up just a little bit. Sounds great.